Let's do a little quick plant shopping in the big box store where they have still a bunch of beauties like this Duranta. The grackle is keeping me company. It's wondering what happened to the French fries. Now this is one of my favorites, as you know, the Vinca in every color. They last the whole season and then some. This is another one that works really good for me, is the Lantana in the yellow color. Even when the deer go and chew on it on occasion, it still comes back strong and beautiful. This is a new plant to me. The blue is just so amazing. I love blue flowers. It is a Blue Days Evolvulus. You correct me if I'm wrong. And it was an excellent price. Now this, the croton or crotos, the beautiful colors of the leaves are just amazing. If you plant it on the ground, you can actually grow a whole tree out of these gorgeous leaves. I mean, it remains small in the pot, but it can grow a huge tree. And here's my friend, the grackle, checking out what plants will work on his garden, which is in zone 8B. Will they survive the winter? Will they not? Do they survive in full sun? I just love seeing the birds in the garden center. They are just so cute. Arabian jasmine is one of my favorite plants. It's beautiful, it's just gorgeous, it smells amazing, but my problem is that the deer like them just as I do, and the difference is that I don't eat them. Here is a combo basket, a croton and a Hoya. I'm sure there's another one that I'm not sure of the name. And the purple palm looking thing is a cordyline, if I am not mistaken. Please let me know in the comments if you know the name of the other little plant with the reddish leaves. They're just simply beautiful. The combination of colors is amazing. This is one that I just can't buy. It doesn't survive in my yard, in the wind, in the sun, in the heat. And no wonder why, because it is a Hawaiian plant. It's just absolutely beautiful. The burgundy color is amazing, but it's not for me. And since we are in the fall, look at all these beautiful pumpkins. This is the type that you can just pack away for the season and take them back outside again next year. I love them. I think they are just gorgeous with all the texture, and they won't rot on you. And they have all of these combinations. The black one is amazing. I did not touch it, but I'm sure it's a fake. So some type of foam or something, but looks great. This as well, these were foam and they just look gorgeous. And of course, it wouldn't be a good plant shopping trip if I didn't stop at the clearance. They had so many pretty ones and they were not so bad. They just needed a little TLC. I look at them, check the next video to see which one I got for me and what happened to it. It's a beautiful plant. The only hint I will give you is that it's pink. See you in the next video.